Good morning, everybody. We are here. We are ready to go. 45 degrees outside. Cloudy, gray. Not looking good right now. What's going on, Frank, Nick, F, Lyman, Dave, Kev Machine, Burhan, Dark Bro, Frank, CD Wit, Kalani, and J Bones. We might not have the quantity, but we've got the quality, guys. Hopefully all of you guys are doing okay. Let's check the market out real quick. We've got AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen, sitting at 6.51% lower right now, $6.97. My goodness, AMC is getting hit pretty hard today. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 934 points per coin. GameStop, 2452. Bitcoin sitting at 16,997 right now. It is slightly higher on the day. NASDAQ getting hit 1.5%. My goodness, man. GameStop down. Pure Therapeutics sitting at 2271. AMC 697. My gosh. Ethereum sitting at 1255. Shiba 933. Dogecoin 10 cents flat. Bitcoin 16996. Sundial is down 10% today. Mullen Auto 1885. CEI 9 cents. The SPY is sitting 1% lower. BBIG 57 cents. On PBIG. Oh my gosh, dude. Highcroft Mining, 58 cents on Highcroft Mining. AMC has lost like what? $13 million on Highcroft Mining so far. Netflix sitting at 306.78. Terra Luna Classic 17.092. QQQ sitting at 283 and Ape sitting at 91 cents. Is this near the bottom? What's the Ape bottom? 90 cents, yeah. Ape could be hitting a new low today, sitting at 91 cents right now. The all-time low is 90 cents on Ape. Gosh, man, things are getting destroyed. Where's Cosmos at? I want to see what Cosmos is doing over the last couple hours here. Gotta open it up. COSM. 48, 47, 48, 49 cents per share. Man, I hope it's not turning back down right now. Cosmos doesn't seem to be able to come back up. This may be a curl over. And it might try to come back down. Retesting this now support line at about 44 cents per share. So watch out for that if you guys are in it. But nonetheless, man, we'll watch and see what happens and plays out with Bitcoin and so on here. It seems like a very, very tough day so far. I divested myself of LUNC for now yesterday. If it drops real low, I might buy back in. Matthew, very nice, man. I don't know if you watched the video this morning or if you've been on Twitter this morning. They've got a lot going on in Terra Luna Classic right now, man. Good morning, Sean. How you doing? Old Rounder, what's up? Ryan! What do you mean, do I remember you?
Of course I remember you, Ryan. You're like a brother to me. You're like a brother to me, Ryan. You're like my bro.
Ryan, of course I remember you, and thank you very much for the super chat, Ryan. Absolutely love it, dude. Really appreciate that. This dude asked, I remember you guys if you come in for like a year later. Of course I remember you, Ryan. Yo, No Toast. What is going on, No Toast? How you doing so far, man? Hopefully all you guys are having a great day today, and let me show you something. I know you guys are all worried about these Christmas giveaways. I know you're all worried because you want a shirt and all of that nonsense. But look at this. On top of the 15 shirts that are already packaged and ready to go, on top of all 15 shirts that are packaged and ready to go, we have got an additional 20 shirts. We've got an additional 20 shirts to give out. So I do have to print these guys, but nonetheless, we got 20 brand new shirts sitting right here. Black, gray, blue, red, and, well, a lighter gray as well. So if you guys want shirts, we're definitely going to have some Christmas giveaway shirts there. All I ask is that if you are not a year-long member, start sharing the videos. Let's get the subscribers up. Let's finish the year on a strong note, and we are going to be giving away at least we're going to be giving away at least 35 shirts. So think about that. I know there's not 35 guys that have been here for a year, so we're going to be good to go. Morning, bros. What's going on, Gorilla? Here, these devs trying to hold people's coins hostage. I made a comment on that video just a little bit ago. Very good, Matthew. I did not see the comment. I can check that out a little bit later, man. But appreciate the comment and the likes and all of that stuff on there. But it's crazy, man. It's crazy. Terra Luna Classic is at a turning point. Terra Luna Classic's at that point, dude, where, it's almost like somebody's on life support and you have to decide to pull the plug. See if they make it or see if they don't make it. It's like a baby bird sitting on the edge of his nest, and his mom just boots him out. See if he's going to fly or see if he's going to die. So that's what we're going to see. That's what we're going to see take place in Terra Luna Classic over the next couple days, weeks, months here. Dang, bro, cranking them out. Yes, dark, bro. It's Christmas time in the bro city. Yes. If these prices hold till Friday, a dollar cost average discounts, baby. Nice, Frank. And these prices might hold till Friday, dude. I don't know if we're going to have any good news coming in the market and bringing us back up because AMC down. Bitcoin's actually not down right now. Bitcoin's channeling in between like very, very tight levels. 17 to 1980 there. And even look at GameStop, man. GameStop curling over pretty heavy right here. Going down for the last half hour or so. 4.85% lower on the day. Everything is red today. Bitcoin slightly in the green. It'll probably turn red too. It's only $26 in the green. But everything heavy in the red today. We're going to have to see if things turn around. But, dude, if you're asking me, I don't think they're going to turn around. Neckbeard sent you DM on Twitter yesterday. I did see it. I did not open it up and read it, but I did see the notification come over there. J-Bones, I got you, man. I got you. Black and gray are my favorite colors. Ryan, very good, man. Black and gray, we've got them. Predictions for Bitcoin by January 1st. You know what, man? If we don't maintain these levels, if we don't continue to trade sideways on Bitcoin, I'm saying January 1st or about there, we could be tested in that 10 to 12,000 range. I think we may need some sort of a catalyst to drive us down through. Maybe news that Gemini is halting withdrawals. Maybe news that something's going on with Gemini could absolutely do it. But if we get some sort of a push, I don't think we're gonna be up major. I think we either kind of tread the water here at 15, 16, 17. Or if we get some sort of a catalyst to push us down, man, I would say that I'm looking at that $10,000 to $12,000 range on Bitcoin next year. Long-term and time properly? Long-term, I like it, Frank. Yo, good morning, all of you. Simoninho, good morning to you as well, man. Let's see. Good evening, everybody from London. Burhan Jauma, good afternoon from Ohio. There's a 2 billion buy order on KuCoin for LUNC USDT. That's a lot, right? Yeah, 2 billion is a lot. I don't even know how much 2 billion costs right now. A couple $100,000. Well, it should be about $300,000, right? Yeah. Is it 4 zeros? 3. Yeah, $340,000, man. $340,000 apparently in that buy order right there. That is a very large buy order. How come everything is down and Neo is up? You know, I actually don't know why Neo would be up today. Where's Neo at today? I haven't looked at Neo in a while. Neo's up 3% today. Neo's been actually bouncing off some of these recent lows. Is this not an all-time low, but yeah, so the prices that it's been bouncing off over the last month, this $8.38 range is the lowest we've seen since everybody started to massively buy stocks with all of their stimulus money at the end of 2020 and bouncing off these lockdown lows, I guess we could say. But look, major support. I mean, I guess we do have some support in this area, touching here, touching here, touching here. But, dude, if the market continues in the same direction that it's continuing in, I don't think it's impossible to go back down to $2, $3. I really don't think it's impossible to go down to $2, $3 on Neo. It's been giving up all of the gains that it had when people were fascinated with electric vehicles and, cheap money that we had back in 2020 and free money that we had back in 2020. So, I don't know why it's gaining. I would say it's just bouncing off those support levels, man. Would be my best guess as to what it's doing there. Dang, man. Metamaterials preferred share had a nice run, but it is coming down fast here. Coming down really fast. Bitcoin, man, look at this. Bzz, 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 bzz. Okay. Based on this action, Bitcoin is going to bounce off of this level. And I say off this level, it may wick down a little bit further, but boom, 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 boom. We are going to bounce, and we are most likely going to bounce back into this area right here. So let's watch and see what happens with Bitcoin in this channel. Could get a break, but we'll most likely, if it follows suit, we're going to be seeing it. We're going to be seeing a bounce back here. Can any of you take your crap out of Terra Station, or do we have to download Rebel Station to access our funds? Honda. I don't think anybody can access their stuff in Terra Station as of right now. I don't even know if anybody can access their stuff in Rebel Station right now. I think that everybody is down until they get this update passed and out there. Dude, it goes to show you, when you're literally at somebody's mercy like that, where's the benefit in that? You know what I mean? Where's the benefit in that? Ryan!
Be kind to animals, respect yourself and others. Mike, be kind to others, respect yourself, and be kind to animals, respect yourself and others.
I like it, Ryan. I like it. It's good advice by Mr. Corleone. Perfect. Got it. Thank you. Yes. Well, dude, I don't even know. Like, it's not a thank you, man. It's not a thank you. I'm mad about it, right? I don't want to see... Like, I can't stand it, dude. I can't stand when banks freeze assets. I can't even stand, really, when banks freeze criminals' assets. You know what I mean? Like, that's not their money. It's not their money to freeze, but they do it anyway. So I can't stand when banks freeze assets. I can't stand when centralized exchanges go down and halt withdrawals. I can't stand what's happening with Terra Luna Classic right now. Dude, it's your money. I should not have any say over what you do with your money. And neither should anybody else. Dark Bro! Thank you very much for the super chat. I say Bitcoin to 500, Ethereum to 26, and another 99% off. I would love. Dude, oh my gosh. If you were able to get Bitcoin at $500 again, how many would you buy? 26. Dude, I'd be tempted to buy more Ethereum at $26 than I would Bitcoin at 500, but how many would you guys buy? You'd have to buy at least one of them. Come on, man. You'd have to buy at least one of them if Bitcoin goes to $500. Dark Bro, man, let's make it happen. Bitcoin $500. You know what? Bitcoin to $500, all you'd really have to do is have the United States say DeFi's illegal. Bitcoin probably dump down to $500. If Coinbase goes down, Bitcoin could very well go down to $500. If Binance goes down, Bitcoin could very well go down to $500. If we figure out that Grayscale, the Bitcoin ETF, is a bold-faced liar, Bitcoin could probably go down to $500. There's a lot, dude. They could send Bitcoin down to $500. But the question is, because this is what everybody's going to be saying. Everybody, if Bitcoin goes to $500, nobody is going to be saying Bitcoin is a bargain. Bitcoin is a deal. Bitcoin is something that you should buy. Everybody will be telling you Bitcoin is dead. You're a fool. Bitcoin is illegal. Bitcoin is a scam. Crypto is a fraud. So it's not like we're going to be sitting here saying, oh my gosh, this is the greatest thing I've ever seen in my life. Everybody is going to be telling you that crypto is a scam, crypto is done, Bitcoin is dead, you're a fool for invest. Like, it's going to be, you're going to have to ignore literally everybody else and only go based off your own judgment. So definitely something to think about, man. Let's move this hair over here. I don't know why it keeps wanting to go that way, but yeah, it's definitely going to have to be your own decision at that point. It's Bitcoin falling through that little line down here, coming back down to retest this level. So we'll see what happens there, if it continues to go up, if it continues to go down. But Shiba Inu coin following Bitcoin lower at the moment, like everything in the market. Now red, ladies and gentlemen. All LUNC is down. Even if you search your wallet address on Terra Finder, it will say you have no coins. Oh my god, man. Oh my gosh. Well, we have been assured, okay, we've been assured that we do have coins, that our coins are safe, and all of that. But let me tell you, Terra Luna Classic, in a situation like this where you literally don't have access on chain, Terra Luna Classic should be down more than 1% right now. So I don't know if it's because people are literally being forced to hold and they're not able to sell, or if they just don't pay attention to what's going on, or if they truly have much more faith in these developers than I do. But Terra Luna Classic is, you couldn't see that, it was big clay. Terra Luna Classic is not necessarily reacting too negatively right now. I actually thought about taking a short position on KuCoin on Terra Luna Classic because of all of the fear that people are generating right now, the unstaking, the undelegating, things like that. I didn't do it, but I do feel like there's an underreaction. Is that a word? Underreaction? I feel like the fear going on out there right now should warrant a greater reaction than what we're seeing. Pudgy, what's going on, Pudgy? How you doing, man? Someone tweet Elon Musk to post a picture of his dog so I can make a quick couple hundred. D's. Yes, just start posting pictures of dogs, like tagging Elon in pictures of dogs, and he might tweet a picture of his dog. So buy some Dogecoin and buy some Shiba Inu coin, and then get out after he tweets that picture and it starts to run up. Everybody needs a quick 10%, right? Go buy some Dogecoin, go buy some Shiba Inu coin, and keep tagging that dude in pictures until he tweets a pic of his dog, and then get out with a sweet 10% gain. Let's see here. Bitcoin needs to get off his rear end and spike already. Yes. Where's Mrs. Not here, Ryan. Where is Pudgy? Present. Pudgy's right here. There you go. With that diamond emoji. Who's got a diamond emoji? I didn't even see a diamond emoji anywhere. Spot, next stop. 380 in my opinion. Leonard, it's a possibility, man. So if we're looking at the SPY, everything's coming down hard today, right? So QQQ getting hit pretty hard, almost 2% down. Ryan, thank you very much for the super chat. Loving it, Ryan. Thank you very much, dude. The SPY, 394, 380. Let's see where 380 takes us. Yeah, dude, my support would actually be, so if we break through this 390, if it does break through 390, I would say between 375 and 380. Legit. Your support line is just slightly higher than mine, which mine's kind of in the middle instead of on the wicks. Yours must be a little bit more towards the wicks there. Honestly, and we're really close to it today already. It's just another 1% move. Next stop for me is 390 on the SPY, and that's going to take us down into this area right here. Okay, very similar bounce, potential bounce again. But this is the next line we got to break right here, is this support at 390. And then I'll be comfortable saying, yeah, 375, 380 if we break that line right there. So I'm on board with you on that one, man. I think that we are pretty close. And we've been trending higher nicely since the middle of October here. So for the past almost month and a half, dude, we've been making some gains in the overall market. And it may be turning right now. So I'm on board with that. I'm on board with some 390 action there, 380 action if we break 390. Bitcoin starting to bounce back a little bit. It said, oh no, too many losses. We can't have it. Pudgy has a diamond emoji or sticker, whatever it is, next to his name. He is that one. Yes, gotcha. That's the one you're talking about. I thought that he was actually throwing like a diamond-handed ape emoji out there. Bro, read my comment about the U.S. government. Did not. I don't think it came through, Ryan. I don't think it came through. Let's see. Chris, I didn't see your message in there, Chris. It must have been going on about something. Gotta love hearing you degrade everyone because people assume and don't understand. Just gonna shut up for the rest of my life. Glad to be here, though. What? Chris, what? Oh, my gosh.
Chris, are you still in here, man? I hope you're still in here.
Yeah, Ryan. Apparently, YouTuber or something must have hid that comment. It didn't come through. I'm about to get that 8 badge in 6 days. Woohoo! Nice, Dark Bro. Very good, man. Hello, Kristen. Kristen, hi. What's going on, Kristen? I'm not surprised I'm getting notifications that LUNC is dumping. Yeah, Terra Luna Classic, it's not necessarily dumping, right? Terra Luna Classic is only down 1.5% this morning, sitting at 17.1 right now. Trying to bounce back along with Bitcoin and Shiba Inu coin and some of these other coins. But overall trend over the last several hours here is a decline. It's just not a major decline. But there are a lot of problems going on with Terra Luna Classic right now that kind of justify the sell-off that we're seeing. And the fact that people can't access their Terra Station and Rebel Station and stuff wallets is bad news. Alright, there's no chat about government from you. Dang, man, it even blocked it from the mods. Like, YouTube must have just straight up deleted it. I don't know. Pudge, true, indeed. Heck yeah, because it's Ryan. Because it's Ryan's comment was intercepted. Yeah, Ryan's comment must have been intercepted before it even hit YouTube, dude. Think about that. And I don't doubt that at all now. I don't doubt that at all. YouTube must have intercepted that before they even showed it to the moderators. Think about that. That's insane. But do some misspelling on purpose. Yeah, there you go, man. If you want to misspell things on purpose, we are humans. We can read through them. The computers can't. Sucks to be a computer, YouTube, doesn't it? U.S. government owns a lot of Bitcoin. A top 5 holder. They seized Bitcoin, or billions in crypto. They need to sell that, so Bitcoin will hit 100,000. Yeah, Ryan. So I do believe, man. I do believe long term that Bitcoin is going to go up. Here's the thing, though, that I honestly believe about the government. Okay, I honestly don't think that the government cares about money. So the idea that, and I've talked to my brother about this a couple times, right? The idea that, you know, they can tax cryptocurrency, they want to make as much money as possible. They want as people to make as much money as possible in crypto because they want to be able to tax as much money as possible. They hold a ton of crypto because they've seized it from drug dealers and so on. So they want to make as much money as possible. They want the coins to go up in value. Dude, with the multi-billions of dollars, hundreds of billions of dollars that they have seized from, you know, drug lords and money laundering schemes and foreign governments and so on, it pales in comparison. I am telling you, the difference between $1 billion and $1 trillion is insane, and it pales in comparison to the trillions of dollars that they literally just printed over the last couple of years. I don't think that they care. I really don't think that they care about Bitcoin profits, about seizures, about any of that. What they care about is making sure that they have control. And if they have control, money doesn't even matter. Now, they want control over the monetary system. They truly do want control over that. But when they can go out and poof, print $1 trillion. It's just at the, you know, I don't know, flip of a hat, flip of a coin, whatever, whim of a decision, however you want to word it. I really don't think that they care about profiting. Individuals may. Individuals in the government may want it to go up because, you know, they see what's going on the day-to-day. They know the insider trading. They know whether or not they're going to make DeFi illegal and all of that stuff. And if you start to see some of these big guys sell off of their cryptocurrency positions, it's because they know something's coming. These people don't mess around. They cheat. And I do think that it's all about control. I really do. I think that they would rather watch all of the money disappear if they kept control before they would watch everybody be rich and prosperous and lose control. Got a sicko can say honestly and government in the same sentence. I honestly think the government doesn't care about you, Pudgy.
That kind of sicko right there. I care about seizures.
All right, Pudgy, that was actually a good one, man. That was actually a good one, Pudgy. I like that one. Oh, God. Yeah, Pudgy, that was a good one right there. Government doesn't care about seizures, but Pudgy does.
For those of that don't know, Pudgy suffers from seizures, so it is funny when he says it. I can't rip on him for that. At least I don't think. Pudgy can rip on you for that, but Pudgy can rip on himself for that. So Pudgy cares about seizures. Yes, the government may not care about seizures. I think AXS is a good long-term investment. David, man, I know you're thinking about that because AXS or Axi Infinity's back above $9 per coin today, right? Let's take a look at it. So, a lot of people saying that Axi Infinity, this game, is dead. That it's not necessarily a long-term investment. I've never played it. I've never owned Axi Infinity. I have seen that it is up decently, at least like 50% over the last couple of days here. So, it is moving, man. And if they can revitalize this game, then yes, it will have a future. But if they can't, then it might not have a future. Patrick! Thank you very much for the super chat. Thank you very much for the coffee. Thank you very much for the coffee. Thank you very much. Oh my gosh. Delicious water. Thank you very much for the authorized hydration, Pat. Absolutely love it, and hopefully your meetings are going very simply today, and you have no concerns whatsoever. So let's go take a look at Axi Infinity and see where that's at today. CeeLo doing pretty bad here, which is good because I am short on CeeLo today. So CeeLo is sitting at 63.11. Does not want to fall through the 63 level. Boom, won't fall. Boom, won't fall. Boom, won't fall. We're going to see if it's going to fall. Sitting at 63.15 at the moment. Axi Infinity, what do you know? Sitting right here at the top. Axi Infinity, $8.93. Maybe coming back down now, guys. Boosted up this morning to $9.19. Actually, earlier this morning, touching $9.50. Coming back down, bouncing, coming back down. It's either going to reach support down here in the 890 range and bounce back again, or if it breaks down through, we could be seeing what is this price in here? 880 and so on. It's been very volatile, but if you look at the 7-day graph, you can see that it's moved from like almost $7 up above. It was $10 on KuCoin. So these guys got it at $9.50, but it was $10 on KuCoin. And the trend is still up. So if you are thinking about shorting it just yet, you might want a little bit better of a curl over than what we're seeing right here, unless you can kind of get in on a spike. But look, dude, I still think the overall crypto market's in a very hard space. I don't think that that's necessarily going to be the bottom for Axi Infinity. And now is the guaranteed time to get in. But, dude, look, you go to the Axi Infinity website, they got a good game. They got a decent game out there, man, that has been around and was a multi-billion-dollar game back in 2021 and a multi-billion-dollar blockchain. So these little characters they got, dude. Somebody sold their Axi or their little character for $820,000. They've got 2.8 million daily active players, 3.6 billion traded in their in-house marketplace, where you can go, and I guess if you come down here to their marketplace, you can see all of their different characters and stuff that you can get. Like, whatever the heck this is, man. This little thing was $9,000, $7,000, $1,100 for this plot of land, it looks like. These are plots of land in the game. These little characters, $800, $7,000 for whatever the character this is here. My gosh, dude. So, these must be NFTs that you can play in the game. But $2, $4 if you guys just want to get into the game and start playing. But I'm telling you, man, it's a huge game with a huge market cap. And they've done very well. I think that a lot of people have just lost interest in it. But nonetheless, the coin price is spiking right now if you guys are interested in getting that. Thank you very much. Outdoor Smile. We've got a king penguin, man. Oh, I could do a king penguin. I could do a king penguin right here. You got a little penguin waddle. Oh, I get it. Stay on camera. That's the best I can do, man. I don't even think penguins make sounds. Outdoor Smile, thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely love that, man. And Ryan, thank you very much for the super chat as well. You guys absolutely killing it this morning. Amazing, bro. Rocking a diamond too. Outdo, bro. Everybody's got the diamonds in here now, Pudgy. Everybody's got the diamonds. Diamonds is a year, right? Diamonds means you've been here a year. So diamond means you guys get one of those shirts that I just showed you earlier. You better be telling me your address, where I can send it, and what size you need. Please do it. You've been bedazzled too. Heck yeah. Michael Corleone is on Netflix, both parts. Let's have a drink, brother. Let's do it. Ryan. Dude, if Godfather's on Netflix, I can watch it. I need to watch it too. I need to do right by you. I need to do right by you, Ryan. I almost called you Michael. Bro, penguins are loud. They make sounds. What kind of sounds do they make? I don't even know what kind of sounds do they make. Do they tweet like birds? What the heck kind of sound does a penguin make? Hey, bro, I have a discrepancy in the bike coin on Coinbase and CoinMarketCap. And Coinbase says up 1,600 the past 30 days. And CoinMarketCap is saying up 12%. Bike coin. Huh. Is this the right one? I don't know if this is the right one or not, man. Bike Rush? Crypto Bike? Cycle Punk? I don't know exactly. You can't see it. I don't know which one you were looking at there, man. Oh, Bytecoin. Come on. Bytecoin. I don't think that Bytecoin is going to be up 1,600% over the last month. No. I would say that Coinbase is incorrect on that one, man. Bytecoin has really just been chilling down in this area at a $5 million market cap. We've been looking at this, not daily, but we've been looking at this a couple times a week. It hasn't been doing much at all. Sitting down here at 0.00003 with a $5 million market cap. I don't know why Coinbase would be saying it's up 1,600%. It's not up 1,600% right now. Hey, I can send you the details for the shirt. DD214, either send me a DM in the Discord or tag me in the Discord so I can follow. I don't know if I got to follow you for you to send me a DM or not. Not 100% sure. Send me a DM in the Discord or send me a DM on Twitter and then just let me know where you want me to send it and what size. Because if you guys have that diamond, if you've been a member for a year, you get a shirt guaranteed. And then the other 20 shirts that I got last night, we could do a bunch of Christmas giveaways and stuff and have some fun with those. I am the light, Dark Bro. Nice. C98, I thought I saw on KuCoin trending higher last night, but I never looked into C98. Coin 98. Maybe it was trending lower. I've never looked into C98, but we got C98, a little Ethereum token right here, sitting at 23 cents. Also a pretty low market cap at only $50 million. But isn't it funny, man, that you can have these coins that nobody's ever heard of sitting at a $50 million market cap? And then you go out here, let's see the top holder, man. Binance sitting on $15 million worth of C98. Binance sitting on another $500,000 worth. KuCoin sitting on $90,000 worth. Yeah, dude, you got some dudes that like C98, man, sitting on $40,000 worth of C98. Yeah, that's kind of crazy to me. Never even heard of that coin. D's getting closer to that shirt. I like it, D's. Yes, you are, man. Thank you very much for the 4-month member chat. Loving it, dude. David, thank you very much for the. Ow, ow, ow! Ow, 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 ow!
Thank you very much for King Wolf, baby. Loving it. Thank you very much, David, for this super chat. Got me howling like a wolf, baby. Now look at Coinbase. Can I pull Coinbase up without logging in on just on a browser here and see what they got going on? Let's see. Let's see. No, we can. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with that. I see that here. So, Coinbase says the current price is 0.0004, and it is 0.0003. So, as soon as you scroll on the graph, you can see that the most recent price is 0.000032. When you come off the graph, they say it's 0.0004. So I don't know where their issue comes from with showing this wrong price for Bitcoin. Yeah, they've got a wrong price on Bitcoin for some reason. Just showing 0.0004 set until you scroll on the graph, and then it shows you the correct price. But I don't know why. Like, I don't know where they're pulling this price from that is incorrect there. Is it showing up on the gainers list because of that? No, it doesn't show up on the gainers list because of that. I think something's just wrong with the number that is generating on their page there. I don't know where it's pulling that number from, but it is obviously incorrect. That is weird, though, dude. That is weird that it's showing like that, but it's obviously incorrect because it's not at 0.0004. It's at 0.0003. Let's see. Safu token, which is a rug pull, went from $222 in March, April to less than 1 cent last month and went up 50x a week ago to over 50 cents. That's a rug pull and a scam. Ryan, let's see if it's a rug pull and a scam, because if people just bought it, I don't know if they'll necessarily rug pull themselves, but is this what you just said? I think this is what you just said. Yeah, dude. So somebody definitely rugged something here. Right? Is that what you guys said, or did somebody explain this differently? Because I remember having this open, but now I don't remember what the deal was with it. Crazy that people still bought $4 million worth of it and continued to buy after the price fell there. If you've made 50x going from 1 cent to 50 cents a share, dude, I don't know. I mean, I don't know. Like, the price is not normal. I agree with Igor here. I really have no idea what's going on with this price and why it would be going back up. If anybody has invested in this, I mean, you would know that CoinMarketCap would put on here that this is a honeypot by now, if you can't get out. But $10 million market cap, dude. Maybe they issued a ton of coins, because the current total supply is only 368,000, and they're able to issue 3.2 billion coins. So maybe they issued a crap ton of coins here that would have dropped the price just drastically.
See, there's so much that I don't know to how that price is back up above 50 cents after dropping to a cent, man. Let's see. I am Claybro the Great. Pudgy. Claybro is great, man. Thanks. Who are you to say what price Bitcoin identifies as? Well, man, on Bitcoin or on Coinbase versus CoinMarketCap, I'm gonna have to go with CoinMarketCap's price because nope. You gotta stay consistent. Let's do that. Darn ignored. No, Simon, you're never gonna be ignored, man. Never. You're doing work like I did. Thanks. 775. Thank you. Can no longer say a gingerbread man. It's not a gingerbread person. No, I can say gingerbread man. I just did. No, ignore it. Just having a lot of bottom smart comments. Yes, bottom smart. That's exactly right. Outdoor smile. Thank you very much for the super chat. Is it a bad idea to stack coins that are 1% all-time highs? Is it a bad idea to stack coins that are 1% all-time highs? Are you saying is it a bad idea to stack coins that are currently 1% of their all-time highs, like they've fallen 99% in value? If that's what you're saying, then no, I don't think that's a bad idea. That is... So if a coin has fallen 99% in value, is it a bad idea to load up on some of those coins? Here's my thought on that, okay? Because that kind of, you look at Bitcoin and you see that the Bitcoin is down drastically from where it was. Actually, Zcash could also, if it keeps falling down, it could get to 1% of its all-time high. The question you have to answer when a coin loses 99% of its value is it still relevant, and will it still be around and have a future? If the answer is yes, then it's not a bad idea to stack some of those coins. Why? They may not reach. They may not 100x to get back to the all-time high again. But if they don't die during a bear market, they could absolutely see some rallies, and they could absolutely see some more than 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10x gains. They could really move higher in price. But depending on your risk tolerance, I would not just make my portfolio Terra Luna Classic at its all-time low. I would not make my portfolio just Bitcoin, just Clifford Inu. Let's see where Clifford is, man. That's another one. I know Clifford Inu is going to be ripped. Yeah, so I would not make it 0.0001 to 0.000001. I would not make my portfolio just to Clifford Inu. This run that it had in 2021 was phenomenal, right? People were 100, 200xing, 300xing their money. Real money. Like, they were actually making this money. And we will do it again. We will absolutely do it again during the next bull market. This is why you guys can't give up right now. But does Clifford Inu do it again is the question. And I don't know if it's going to be able to. The fully diluted market cap is so low right now. It's only got $700 in volume. I don't know if anybody even cares that Clifford Inu exists anymore. So the risk that you run is that these coins literally are dead and they will not bounce. So if you make the determination that they're not dead, then I say it's not a bad idea. But don't put your entire portfolio in it. You make sure that you've got coins that will stick around. Or during the next bull market, dude, take some chances during the next bull market. You know what I mean? You don't have to go out there and invest $10,000 and watch $10,000 400x in a 2-week period. You don't have to do that, man. If you get $100 and it 400x's and you're sitting on like 40, 50 grand on a couple different coins because you bought $100 worth of them, okay, that's the ridiculousness of cryptocurrency bull markets, is that people literally buy anything without regard for anything, and these massive gains happen. So Yeah, I don't think it's a bad idea, dude, but I wouldn't make it your only idea. Oh, let's see. Clearbro, I heard the term tokenomics on another channel. What does that mean? I'm a beginner crypto holder. So MK Ultra Patient. Let me see if I can pull up a decent... Actually, I might be able to show you here on Clifford Inu since we got the thing pulled up. I'm not sure if they have... Let's see if... Oh, they do. So, tokenomics here. So, we're talking about Clifford Inu. You just saw the chart of it, right? It's basically dead coin now. All of these tokens, these tokens have different aspects to them. And these are the tokenomics, okay? They've got buy taxes and sell taxes. Tokenomics are usually the fees that are charged and where those fees go. So 5% goes to liquidity pool. You're getting taxed 10% on each side. 5% goes to liquidity pool, and 5% goes back to the ecosystem. Automatic helps create the price floor stability, okay, and as well as acquire and build assets for the ecosystem. So basically, it goes back to the developers to buy things for Clifford Inu if they want. Same deal on the sell side, 5% of liquidity pool, 5% of the ecosystem. Some people say, okay, you're going to have 1% go to a marketing team, 2% go to dividends to everybody, 3% is going to go to burning to Clifford Inu. Another 1% goes to the developers, and another 2% is going to go to the liquidity pool. So it's basically the tax that it is on the coin and where those assets are going. Now, what does this say? Taxes are subject to change according to market conditions. However, the contract is hard-coded to never go up above 20% on taxes, buys, and 25% on sells. Furthermore, taxes will be decreasingly gradually as Cliff grows in market cap. It's falling in market cap right now. So this is, and this is crazy too, right? I mean, imagine a 25% tax on selling your Clifford Inu after a 20% buy. You got to double your money just to make some money and break even if you've got taxes like this. That's crazy, man. Those are very high taxes. But yeah, this is what that would be an example of tokenomics. It's basically the taxes and where those taxes go on these little tokens that you've got. Let's see. If you're married, identify yourself as single and cheating that way. I watched a video. It was funny. I think I missed something. If Bitcoin goes to 10,000 Clay, that's an 85% drop. So it's expected that most other coins will drop more than... I agree with that, Ryan. I agree with that. If Bitcoin does drop down to 10,000 and it's got a ridiculous drop, like a 90% decline, I would imagine that all coins would decline even further. Figured out how to find the 10,000x coins. You get absolutely smashed, and then you go into Google and type crap coins that will 10,000x, stand on your head, and do the hokey pokey with your eyes closed, and hope that everybody else is doing the same thing. Because if they are, Dark Bro, you're absolutely right, man. You're absolutely right. That could result in some, literally, people could just go into Google and type in which coin's going to 1,000x, and then believe the first one they see. And they might go buy that. They absolutely could go buy that then. And just as simple as that would cause the price to go up. It's true, man. Make a profit now a day with crypto. And with what coin are you doing? So, yeah, I am making profit. I'm shorting CELO right now on KuCoin. And I am making profit right there. So, I don't know if I can pull it up. It's not on there anymore. So I am making some profit on CELO right now, sitting at 63 cents. But I'm shorting it, man. I'm playing to the downside right now. I'm bearish on the overall market, and it is currently going down. So I am making money on that right now. But basically everything else, dude, no. I'm literally just sitting and waiting for a bull market to return on anything that I'm not actively trading. But my bias is currently to the downside. So I am making some money on CELO right now, but it's not going up. It's actually going down. Price might only be holding because no one can do anything with their coins. Kristen, that's actually what I was thinking earlier. I don't know if you watched the video that I posted or not, but that's what I was wondering. Is the price holding because literally nobody can move their coins off Terra Station and nobody can sell their coins right now? Food for thought. With 100 shares, your dividend percentage tells you how many shares you will earn reinvesting over the year, compounded monthly or quarterly, depending on your payout schedule. Yeah. That is actually not bad, man. It's actually not bad. You can't think about it that way. So if you're going to go in there and you got a 2% dividend, you can actually go grab an extra 2 shares, right? We can't even trust exchanges, much less any cryptos at this moment. Roulette wheel. Facts, dude. Facts. It's literally nobody is to be trusted in the cryptocurrency space right now. And that's exactly what they want us to do. Roulette wheel, you know the game, man. You've identified the game. So if we can't trust DeFi, if we can't trust CeFi or central finance, if we can't trust one another, if we can't trust these coins not to rug, who do we trust? The good old USA. They're going to come in, man, when trust and division is at its highest, and they are going to portray the savior of the cryptocurrency space with regulation and a central bank digital currency. Roulette wheel absolutely knows the end game. He can see it coming from there. If you can't hide it under the mattress, then it's not a good investment. Oh, look, I can hide this Bitcoin under a mattress, man. I got one right here. I can hide it under a mattress right now if I wanted to. All right, it's Doge Gaming. Deep, sir, man. Doge Gaming. I haven't seen you in a long time, Doge Gaming. How you doing? What Clay just said about Google, in the first one you see, kind of like AMC being the MOAS. No, really, man. Really. And it goes to show that people just jump onto stuff, man. People just jump onto stuff. But it is true, Chris. I know you know that is true. Chris has experienced it firsthand, man. Thoughts on Side of Flow Inu? How many you hold? I haven't discussed this in a while. We haven't discussed this in a long time, Simon. I am holding 0 Side of Flow Inu. But hey, man, during the next bull run, Side of Flow could be one to go. Tribute to Michael Corleone. It's the 50-year anniversary of The Godfather. Is it really the 50-year anniversary of The Godfather? Wait, what do you think about Barn Bridge? I actually have no idea about Barn Bridge, man. Barn Bridge, huh? Let's see, $399, $40 million market cap, extremely low in price. Wow, dude, it was at $140 during the bull market. Hey, man, I don't know. So if, I don't know anything about these guys. I've never looked at them before. But if they can guarantee you a fixed interest rate, people do like that. People do want that. So I don't know what their interest rates are, how safe they are, anything like that. But, dude, if these guys are able to guarantee you or, bring you in 13% fixed interest income, one, that is very high. So you have to ask yourself what they're doing with your money to be able to generate 13% or more than 13% on your money, that they can afford to pay you 13% on your money. But if they're able to accomplish that, man, I think that it does have a market. It's going to have a stronger market during a bull market, though, than it will during a bear market. As far as the market cap goes, $40 million, I don't think it's a major risk of dying out just yet. And all of the coins seem to have been issued with the 10 million. There's literally a couple thousand that haven't been issued yet. In the market, the volume is decent during this bear market, almost $5 million being traded. But it's very cheap, okay? And it has not really performed well outside of the bull market. So the question just remains, man, will it survive this bear market? I don't know if the answer is yes or no, but they seem to be going with bond, right, for a fixed income, sort of a debt type of game. CBDC incoming, Dark Bro. Yes. Wait, remember now, you said something yesterday. I logically get the bull market will return, but I'm cool to hold. Just feeling burnt out from all the AMC stuff, and now where the world is at. Oh, no, dude, look, man. I feel burnt out from the AMC stuff too. Trust me. I really do, man. I really do. I feel burnt out from all of the bear market declines in the cryptocurrency space too. Dude, it's almost like we've already forgotten what the gains are like. Isn't it? I mean, it's been a year of declines now. full year of no gains whatsoever, it's almost like people are beginning to question whether or not we will have gains. The same way that people began to question whether or not we would see gains back in 2018, 2019, and the beginning of 2020. And it caused them not to even want to buy, and caused me not to even want to stack beyond certain amounts. Ethereum at $100 a coin, Bitcoin at $3,000-$4,000. Like, it's crazy that our mentalities shift and kind of follow the current trend. The current trend, man, is almost convincing us that we are only going to see declines, and it is almost convincing us that we should just give up. And we can't, dude. We can't, because when the bull market does return, like you say, don't be so burnt out that you didn't stack up and you can't take advantage of the next bull run. Because if you look at that past bull run, man, like Clifford Inu is a perfect example. What a token, man. Clifford Inu. Who the heck cares about Clifford Inu but you 300-400x your money? I mean, that's the only reason we invest. People start to try and push these ideas of like a better world, cleaner lives, like all of this stuff. But at the end of the day, people are only investing because they want to make gains. Now, you could do whatever you want with those gains. If you want to try and go, be philanthropic or however you would pronounce the word, with your gains and with all that money, perfect, man. But you're not investing in that money in the first place if you don't want to make money with it. So when the bull market returns, dude, we're going to see opportunity after opportunity to make 10, 20x gains on Bitcoin and Ethereum. 50, 100x gains potentially on things like Raven Coin and some of these other small coins. And then these ridiculous 100, 200x gains on little crap coins that you can take a little risk in. The gains in the bull market are ridiculous. You ignored me. Never, Pudgy. I will never ignore you. Say it again, man. Thoughts on Bone holding strong as of late. Yeah, Kalido, man. As more and more people anticipate Shibarium's release, I think that Bone is going to get stronger and stronger. Does what is happening with LUNC right now have anything to do with the IBCs being re-enabled? Timing seems too close. Maybe someone isn't happy we enabled it. Well, possibly, Kev Machine. But from the stuff that I've read, and I don't know about the exact timing, but from the stuff that I've read, they've been planning on this for a long time. They've been planning on this basically since the beginning, since the fallout. And I don't know if I don't know if they said, okay, well, we don't like this, we're gonna open it up now, we're gonna do all this trash with the wallets now, or if it literally was just coincidence and it finally came to fruition. Dark Bro, that looks like a wild market, man. I don't even know how to interpret that, but the last one is death, dude. I don't like that. Clay, do you have any prediction about what XRP and Dogecoin will do in the future? So, EKSO, yes, but it's kind of like a twofold. So, Ripple, man. Ripple's going to be heavily correlated to the SEC decision, or the lawsuit decision with the SEC settlement. If Ripple wins, I absolutely think that Ripple can be $100 billion, if not one day $1 trillion business, and therefore it would drastically increase in price. If it doesn't win, I think that you might just sit around the areas that we're in right now. As far as Dogecoin, dude, Dogecoin is so heavily correlated to Elon Musk. If Elon Musk does integrate Dogecoin into Twitter, I think that Dogecoin's going to maybe not go to $1 and things like that. It will have its hype period, and I think it'll settle back down. But if Elon Musk integrates Dogecoin into Twitter, it's going to see some solid gains. But I think it'll come back down instead of maintaining like $1, $2 plus price points. Dogecoin's going to be just whatever Elon Musk wants to do with it. Let's see. The point of that was, I guess I realized I'm not in the discount mode like I was during AMC, so trying to work on getting back. Gotcha. All right, now that clicked for me, Chris. Yeah, Chris, that does make sense there, and I think that kind of goes to with what I was saying, right? I think. So it did click better when you said it that way, but like right now, man, our mentality, because we are when AMC was coming in on that discount, right? When AMC was going from 70 to 50 to 60, or 50, it probably did go back up to 60, back down to 40, 30, and so on. It did seem like a discount because, dude, we were so used to just ridiculous gains, and ridiculous gains, and ridiculous gains, and everything on the market was gaining, and it did seem like a discount. Now, we've been beaten down so far that it doesn't necessarily seem like a discount anymore. It seems like our path to destruction. And we're surrounded by loss and loss and loss. And the mentality is that it's not a discount, that it's just a path towards demise. And that kind of like, it goes to with what I was saying about how our mentalities have shifted just because we're so far detached from a bull market right now. But if we believe that the bull market will be here, these prices, we have to trick ourselves into thinking, to thinking that bull market is reality, and to thinking that bull market, whether it's a year, 2 years, 3 years, whatever the time frame is, will be here, and then we can absolutely make those gains again. In the prices we're seeing now, if you believe Bitcoin's going to be at 150,000, dude, a $16,000 price point is phenomenal. If you think Ethereum's going to be 10 grand, wow, man, a $1,200 price point is phenomenal. If you think Shiba Inu coin is going to burn another zero, well, 2 zeros from where we're at right now, dude, you're 12x in your mind. Like, you have to convince yourself that we're not living in our current reality, and that's hard. That really is hard. Third time to charge. When is Pika? Where is Pika? When? I actually don't know. So, you know what? I want to show you guys this. Since I'm doing all these Christmas giveaways and stuff, I'll show you this really quick. Let's see if I can find it here. Nice. As we're leaving, I will show you guys this since I got it. But I'm going to do a hoodie since Pika is integral in the channel, even though she hasn't been here in a while. And then I got this little Pikachu for Christmas. So she's going to be getting a little Christmas gift as well, on top of all of the shirts and all of the giveaways and stuff like that. So I know Pika's not in here. It's still going to be a surprise, but you guys can still see it. We got Pika a little gift right here. Good to go with a little Christmas Pikachu. I thought that was cool. I saw that when I went out yesterday, and I had to pick that up. So anyway, it's past 1 o'clock, guys. We're already 5 minutes late. Get your names in the chat right now. Get the shout-outs going on. We'll be back a little bit later. Appreciate all of you guys for being in here. We'll do the shout-outs. We'll be back in that 4 o'clock hour. Hopefully see all of you guys over then. Try to go back to college, take some classes, take a couple of classes that I'm missing on my associate's degree on machine, or AS degree on machine tool technology. But can't go because I did not get, oh my gosh. Wow, dude, they're even denying you education based on that? That's insane, Simon. That's insane, man. Oh my gosh. Don't make me mad right now. We're leaving. It's going to be a good afternoon. Don't make me mad. Let's see. It is Old Rounder. Shout out to you, King Mamba. See you later. 775, Mr. Simon D's, Pudgy, Dark Bro. We got King Mamba, Pudgy, Rich, Dark Bro, Rich, Gorilla Invictus, Frank, Old Rounder, Next Level, Kristen, later, bro, SD. See you later, man. Peace out to Kristen, Kalito Farm, King Mamba, MK Ultra Patient. Something like that. Peach. I hope Pika likes that Pikachu. 775, Rich. See you later, man. And anybody else that's in here, Mr. Simon. I think Mr. Simon. We've got D's. I don't know if D's was in here. DD214. See you later. The franchise Pudgy. Peace out of the diamond. The square-handed apes. I like it, man. DD214. See you later. AMC Trap Man, if you're listening. Stephanie, bro, if you're listening. All of you guys. Nick F. You know what time it is. So you want to say it with me? Say it with me. Brandon, see you later, man. Until the next time. Hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Buhan. See you later as well.